Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Login Joins. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT by AI. So for that, you need to go to your search bar and type in chatgpt.openai.com. Once you do so, tap this first link. At this page, tap on Sign Up. Here, enter your email address, or you can also continue with your Google account. Now type in your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password. Now open your Gmail address to verify. Tap Verify Email Address. Enter your first and last name. Enter your phone number and your correct country code. And lastly, enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number. And you will see this portal right here. If you want to ask question, then type in here. Here you can see light mode, light to dark mode. This is how you can switch it. And at this button right here, you can log out of your account. And this is how you use ChatGPT account. Thank you for watching.